class. Here I am going to take the topic periodic properties. So in our previous class I have already taken this topic periodic property. इसका मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो आप लोगों को सेंड किया था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स द वीडियो वॉज नॉट completed. So here again I am going to repeat the same topic, periodic properties. This is the part B of unit 1. Your part A of unit 1 was atomic structure containing central nucleus surrounded by number of electrons, and that part was completed, part A, that is atomic structure. Now the part B is the periodic properties. Now this periodic properties means what? This periodic property, it is related to the, obviously it is related to the periodic table. Then it is related to periodic table means this we have to know about this periodic table. You know what is the periodic table? So here we will highlight the term first of all, the periodic table. तो ये periodic table कहाँ से आया, इसकी क्या properties हैं, इसकी क्या जरूरत है हम लोगों को केमिस्ट्री में. So this periodic table was first introduced by the year in the year 1869. So the scientists were introduced, German scientists were there. So they were introduced the periodic table in the year 1869. 1869 से ये periodic table chemistry में आया है. So at that time this periodic table was arranged as per the atomic weight. आप लोगों को पता है periodic table, वहाँ पे different elements है, उसका arrangement किया है different elements का. So सबसे पहले जब periodic table का arrangement किया गया था, so at that time that periodic table shows that, or the scientists were arranged the different elements in the periodic table as per the atomic weight. Atomic number के साथ उसका arrangement नहीं किया, उसका arrangement किया गया था as per the atomic weight in a horizontal row. जितने भी elements है, suppose पहला है हाइड्रोजन, then helium, then lithium, then beryllium, then boron, then carbon and so on. So all that elements, first of all when the periodic table was introduced by the German scientists, so they introduced the periodic table in 1869 as per the arrangement of elements as per their atomic weight. So in this case the arrangement of elements are there in the periodic table. So हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं एक एलिमेंट हमने वहाँ पे रखा है, जैसे हाइड्रोजन है, उसका एटॉमिक नंबर है 1, उसके बाद हीलियम है, उसके बाद बेरिलियम, उसके बाद बोरॉन. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है पीरियोडिक टेबल में, हर एक एलिमेंट आफ्टर अ फिक्स नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स देयर आर रेगुलर रिपीटेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट. मतलब उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज में कुछ तो भी सिमिलैरिटीज होती है, कुछ एक पर्टिकुलर लिमिट के साथ. मतलब हर एक पहले से लेके आखिरी तक जो भी एलिमेंट्स है पीरियोडिक टेबल में, सभी की प्रॉपर्टीज सेम नहीं आ सकती. बट एट द फिक्स नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स दे शोज समटाइम्स रिपीटेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज आर देयर. तो जो भी रेगुलर रिपीटेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज है उस एलिमेंट की, सो दैट प्रॉपर्टीज आर नोन एज periodic properties. So why periodic properties? Because it is fully related to the periodic table, therefore it is known as periodic properties. Now first of all the periodic table was arranged as per the atomic weight, but after that in the year 1942 one scientist again introduced the periodic table. The name of that scientist was Moseley. So that Moseley scientist introduced the periodic table in the year 1942, and he introduced the periodic table as per the atomic number. Atomic number के हिसाब से उन्होंने periodic table को arrange किया, और उसके बाद जैसे हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर 1 है, उस 1 में फिर से 1 ऐड करो इज इक्वल टू 2 हो गया, मतलब वो हो गया हीलियम का एटॉमिक नंबर. उसमें फिर से 1 ऐड करो, उसका हो गया 3, मतलब हो गया लिथियम का एटॉमिक नंबर. सो एज पर द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट्स द साइंटिस्ट मोजेली अरेंज द डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू द एटॉमिक नंबर, नॉट ऑफ द एटॉमिक वेट. मतलब this properties at the fixed number of elements, that regular repetition of properties in that periodic table, that is known as periodic properties. अब यहाँ पे periodic properties है मतलब here different properties are included in the term periodic properties. वो जो different properties है वो हम लोग one by one देखेंगे. So the first property is atomic radii or atomic radius. The first property is atomic radii or atomic radius. Now what is the atomic radius? All of you know the central nucleus is there in the atomic structure, surrounded by number of electrons. These are the negatively charged outermost electrons. Now here the distance from the central nucleus up to the outermost electron, so that distance is known as atomic radii or atomic radius. So what is the atomic radius? The distance from the center up to the outermost electron of that orbit, that distance is known as atomic radii or atomic radius. Now when we are going to calculate the atomic radius, अगर हम किसी भी एलिमेंट का और इस पीरियोडिक टेबल में हम लोग अगर एटॉमिक रेडियस कैलकुलेट करने गए तो वहां पे हम लोगों को उसकी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं मिलेगी. इट मीन्स दैट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द एटॉमिक रेडाई और द वैल्यू ऑफ एटॉमिक रेडाई, वी विल नॉट गेट द एग्जैक्ट और द एब्सोल्यूट रिजल्ट. We will get the appropriate or approximate result or approximate value. हम लोगों को exact value नहीं मिलेगी, हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? Approximate value मिलेगी. Why? Some things are there, some points are there. Why we didn't get the exact value of that particular element? Instead of getting exact value, we will get there the appropriate or approximate value. So here the first point is, you know, atom is very small, so that it cannot be isolated. वो इतना small होता है हम लोग उसको isolate नहीं कर सकते. Again, the exact position of electron is uncertain. हम लोगों ने इसके पहले के क्लास में देखा था, in case of atomic structure, one principle was there. That principle was known as Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So as per the Heisenberg uncertainty principle or the statement of that Heisenberg uncertainty principle, what was that statement? It is not possible to calculate the exact position of or exact value of both the position and velocity of the small moving particle. किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉन की हम लोग एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू, उसका पोजीशन, उसकी वैल्यू, उसकी एग्जैक्ट नहीं निकाल सकते. We will get the approximate value. So as per that principle of Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the exact position of electron is uncertain. इलेक्ट्रॉन की पोजीशन हम लोग एग्जैक्ट नहीं बता सकते, क्योंकि why? Because that electron is continuously moving. So that electron is continuously moving means what? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पे है, थोड़ी देर बाद दूसरी जगह गया, थोड़ी देर बाद तीसरी जगह गया. So because of that, it is not able to calculate the exact position or velocity of that electron. मतलब उस प्रिंसिपल के हिसाब से हम लोग उसकी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं कैलकुलेट कर सकते. Then next is the electron density of an atom is affected by the presence of neighboring group. जितने भी neighboring group present है उस एटम के आसपास जो भी neighboring group है, so because of the presence of that neighboring group, it is not electron density उसकी क्या होती है? Affected होती है. So because of that affected electron density, again it is not possible to calculate the exact value or exact atomic radii. So these are the some terms why we are or some points why we are not going to calculate the exact value of atomic radii. But some terms are there which are included in case of atomic radii. कुछ टर्म ऐसे हैं उसका यूज करके हम लोग उसकी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. So that terms we will see in our next class. So this is enough for today's class. What is today's topic? Periodic properties. So it is related to the periodic table obviously. So depending upon that periodic table, most of the elements are present in the periodic table, and that periodic tables are first of all arranged in the atomic weight, but after that periodic table was arranged as per the atomic number, and after the arrangement of electron in that elements in that periodic table, what happened, there is regular repetition of properties are there, and that regular repetition of properties at a fixed number of element is known as periodic properties. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज देखी है डिफरेंट. पहली प्रॉपर्टी है एटॉमिक रेडियस. So how can you define the atomic radius? The distance from the center up to the outermost electron in that atomic structure, it is known as atomic radius. But here we cannot calculate the exact value of atomic radius. Why? Because of these some points that we have already discussed here, and after that some points or some radius terms are there that is covalent radius, ionic radius, van der Waals radius. So that terms we will see in our next class. So this is enough for today's class, dear students. Have a nice day. Okay, goodbye.